Lesson 4. MongoDB Performance and Administration. Database performance. An indexing only makes sense if we have a collection with many documents. Let's add 300,000 documents to a numbers collection. This is large number of documents, so the insert takes a few seconds to complete. Once it returns, we can verify that all the documents are present. Now there are 300,000 documents in the numbers collection. Explain describes query paths and allows developers to diagnose slow operations by determining which indexes a query has used. We can verify that the index has been created by calling the getIndexes method. The collection now has two indexes. The first is the standard ID index that's automatically built for every collection. The second is the index we just created on value field. To create a unique index, specify the unique option. Database administration. MongoDB shell provides a number of commands for getting information about the system. System indexes is a special collection that exists for every database. Each entry in system indexes defines an index for the database. We can also run the stats command on an individual collection. But at the very least, we'll be able to find out how much space a given collection and its indexes are occupying. The shell makes it easy to examine the implementation of any given method. We can check the implementation of the save method. Do you want to learn new skills in the fastest and most effective way? Visit learnwithvideotutorials.com.